So I decided to create myself my own font in PixelArt, and this is what I came up with. However, the issue is that Unity cannot handle pixelated texts. It tends to create this smooth nonsense that doesn't look good, doesn't look sharp. I'm using older Unity text, and there is a very simple solution on how to fix this potential issue. Once you import it, or if you downloaded other fonts that you want to use in your games, all you have to do is just go onto this font itself and just change things around. Start with the render mode. Set it on hinted rasted, characters set on Unicode, calculation mode, ascender metric. Once you're gonna apply, the text will slightly change, but what we'll need to do now is drastically increase the font size. And the more we will increase, the sharper text will become. However, if you look at this longer text, it still has its smoothness on, so we just keep increasing. Usually go up to 200, that should do. Yeah, that's the simple quick fix. Text itself will have this smoothness, but in order to see it, players will have to play on cinema screens to be able to see it. But in the game scene, the whole text will be sharp. So this is one of the most basic ways how to fix this text without needing to use the text mesh pros and messing around with the materials and all that nonsense. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.